Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It's sleep-in day because I slept in. And it's like, what is it, 10:30? Yep. 10:30, and I had breakfast, and now we're gonna go for a walk because it's actually sunny out today. Which means the ants should be out and calling.
Why are you so negative?
No, I just looked at where they usually are and realized it's sunny, but we're gonna go for a walk and just chill today. So this might be a weekend vlog because I don't know how much I'll have to film. Ready?
Yep.
You look ready.
Born ready.
Let's go. Okay, people, it's time to cook. Dylan's murdering broccoli. We're making, what are we making, babe?
Broccoli, lemon broccoli, thingamajig, whatever it is. Chicken broccoli with...
Okay, Google. Pause.
It's like broccoli with lemon and chicken and pasta.
It's so good! And it's vegan. No, it's dairy-free. Because chicken, it's not vegan. It's dairy-free. So we realized we don't have lemons. So Dylan's gonna run to the store and get them because we kinda need them. Dang it! We messed up. Alright, it all came together. Chicken, broccoli, and pasta. It's so good. Dylan was just saying we haven't had this in so long and it's literally so good. Hi guys. Dinner was really good. Actually, it was so good. And I just showered and now I'm going to paint my nails and kind of hang out up here and probably watch YouTube. Or we've been watching Dexter and Dylan's like, you need to start from the beginning. And I'm like, maybe I'll start from the beginning. I don't know, because I'm already like so far in that I'm like, why would I go back? And then, I don't know. I'll probably just end up watching YouTube, but I have this like little teeny nail polish guy and it's like a little blue-green color and I thought that would just be fun. I don't know. Where's my black nail polish? I had black and white nail polish and I don't know where they are. But I think I'm gonna do this little blue color, because why not? Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I'm serving some Sunday sleepy looks. It's like, sorry, my battery keeps dying and I don't know why because it's charged, but I'm going to get ready. Okay, so I completely got ready while this was charging and it's still not fully charged, but I'm ready. I did my hair because I literally just had time. Why is the light? Okay, there we go. The lighting's better now. But yeah, I just did my hair because I literally was bored. And I had time because I'm doing a FaceTime call with my grandmother and my cousins in like a half hour, and then my mom and I are gonna go get to-go food. so exciting. Like, it's funny how excited like little things like that are now, because we're like going through this quarantine situation. Obviously we're gonna be safe, like we're going to get it to go, like we're not gonna go eat there or anything. But we've been wanting to do this since like this all started, and I messed up and called them at 1:55 when they closed at 2, because I forgot they closed at 2. So now my mom and I are gonna go because it's a nice day. I put on a little sweater and jeans. I have jeans on. Jeans. And I was gonna have coffee, but I think I'm gonna wait and get one there because their coffee is so good. They have like 12 flavors on tap. And I'm gonna get the blueberry cobbler one because it's so dang good. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna go chill, maybe watch some Dexter while I wait for the call. Dylan's at work. Things are still slow and boring.
She was walking through the woods, and Maggie and Lola were running around.
Hi guys, so we were on FaceTime for a while with Mimi and Paps, and now we have our scarves and our gloves. I don't know where my put mine. And we're going to get food, like I said, but apparently we're also going to Walmart. So, geared up, tried to think of things that we need because I didn't know we were going. So I didn't have a list ready, but
They don't have a code.
hopefully I don't forget anything, or I can think of things. Isn't it weird that the roof's different on those windows?
Well, they definitely put those in. Yeah, they put those in. Those are not there.
Oh.
That's why it looks different, because they put them in.
So we're
Says
gonna
can't
go.
apply code. That's because I don't have one.
Finally got the goods.
Yum.
They had a little problem with their online thing, so we had to wait, but I'm so hungry. These lids are like flimsy. But I can't get it on. Woo! Yum. Same thing I have every day for lunch, but Mom, this is your first time actually getting an acai bowl.
It really is.
When you say, even though she asked me to get acai bowls literally all the time, and then never
and then
actually
I end
gets
up
one.
getting a yogurt or something.
But she
Yum.
also got a salad.
For later. And it looks amazing. You should take a picture of it.
Huh?
You should show him the salad. Not right now.
Went to Walmart, got the things, had to run in and get allergy medicine because it is starting to be that time of the year. Now we're gonna go back home and wash our hands. I'm touching my water bottle, which means I have to wipe it down.
I have a thingy right there.
But, oh, sweet, I have to wipe my phone. Coming in clutch. Hi guys, I've just been making TikToks and I forgot, like, I should have set the vlog camera up to film me making the TikToks, but they were really funny. You should go to Mariah MacDonald 8 on TikTok and watch, because I made a really good one and then like an okay dance one. But I think I'm going to, Dylan gets home at I think like 6, and we have a FaceTime little dinger with his family, or a Zoom with his family tonight at 6 also. So I don't know when to have dinner. Like, I don't know if I should have it ready for 6 or what. I'm gonna ask him right now, but I think I'm gonna make like a little egg. I've been doing like an egg on half an English muffin or like a piece of bread and like making a little sandwich as my pre-dinner snack. So I think I'm gonna make that right now. Okay, hi guys, from like the same spot. I've been watching Dexter, now I'm gonna start dinner. I think I need to find my blue light glasses because my head the last few days hurts. I think it's because I've been on my phone so much, because what else is there to do? So I need to find those and wear them. But I'm gonna start dinner. We're gonna have spaghetti and these frozen meatballs that we've literally had in our fridge for so long. Whoa, I think cleared out. I need to go grocery shopping, but I'm trying to wait till like Tuesday. Because I have time tomorrow. We don't have a microwave, or I only have one pan or like pot, so I'm gonna try to do these in like a pan. I don't know how that's gonna work, but yeah, this should be interesting. What was I saying before? Oh yeah, I'm trying to wait till Tuesday to go to the grocery store, just because I didn't want to go today or yesterday because it's Saturday and Sunday and everyone's gonna be going. Although no one, well, people are still working remotely, so I guess that theory still makes sense. I just figured like a lot of people would be there today and yesterday. So Saturday and Sunday. So I'm gonna go tomorrow. No, Tuesday. Because I don't have time to go tomorrow, I don't think. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I'm gonna start dinner.
She is actually like
Guys, I can't get this open. Can you like put it under hot water? I got it open. Just an update. All right, we're gonna do some angel hair. This was from when we needed to put our initials on it at my house. So Tim would not eat it. Can I do this with one hand? Okay, my camera stopped recording, but I got it open. Now we're gonna do, actually I don't want to do the whole box. Gosh, I don't think I can do this with one hand. Okay, got it. Why did I feel the need to record that? I don't know, but all right, it is ready. And Dylan just pulled up. He's getting out of his car. I don't think you can see it, but he is. I'm gonna hide behind the door. Oh, I just unlocked it, so that doesn't make any sense.
Christ, woman.
Hi!
Hi.
Are you ready for dinner?
I'm ready.
Did you have lunch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Robin.
We got new merch.
Yeah, they got the new logo and everything.
Cool. Oh, April 2020. What size is that?
What?
What size is that?
This is a small.
Oh, I was gonna say it looks small. Is this for me?
Mm-hmm. I got my cell phone.
Nice. Hi guys, so we got caught up on Zoom because we just like sat down to eat and then we're Zooming and the whole thing happened and this lighting is, oh, there we go. But I'm gonna go shower and John's probably gonna go play video games, I assume. And yeah, so that was this weekend's vlog. Stay tuned to tomorrow for Monday's vlog, and then Tuesdays, and then Wednesdays, and then Thursdays, and then Fridays. I hope you liked it. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's. Follow me on TikTok at Mariah MacDonald 8. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.
Stay safe and healthy.
Bye.